Hello, my fellow riders. Welcome back to Bikes and Riders Uganda. It's your boy, AK Commander, as usual. Road safety. It's just already don't know why I'm here at this moment. Road safety. Did you know that we put our lives on risk? One. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 safety tips that can save your life on roads in Uganda or Ugandan roads. Because every time we got an accident, but some accidents I think it's from us. It's us who causing that accidents. One tip number one: always wear your helmet. Always wear your helmet. Why? Because even for a short distance or long distance, your head is your everything. If you know your head is your everything, you can't move without helmet. Wear your helmet. Even if there is some accident, head be protected. Tip number two: check your bike. Check your bike every morning. Tires, engine, brakes, lights. If that working very well, 5 minutes you can take 5 minutes to check those things. You can take only 5 minutes. Check those things. Just to prevent an accident. Eh? Just you don't know if your brakes are okay, but you want in the morning when you wake up, you start riding your bike. It's dangerous. Wake up in the morning, check your tires, check your brakes, check your gear lever, check your lights if it's working very well. Wear your helmet and go. Tip number three: don't rush. If you want to go in town, wake up early in the morning. Don't rush. Leave early. The road is not a race. Don't race a bike, because that bike they have a speed meter. But if you're on the road, just know you are the only person understand that. So wake up early, not race, alive separate to your family and friends plus others, your friends at your job, at your colleagues. So wake up early and move early to reach separate your family. This channel is 100% about safety maintenance and border business education. So guys, if you see this video, subscribe and let's ride safely together. God bless you guys. Bye bye. See your boy.